$100,000. For most people, it feels like a distant dream. But what if it wasn't? What if it was a matter of design? A simple system anyone can follow. Most people think you need a lucky stock pick or a high-paying job. They're wrong. You need a blueprint. And in this video, I'm giving you exactly that. 7 powerful ingredients to build a $100,000 portfolio starting today. The first ingredient is not about growth, it's about survival. Your emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your bedrock. It keeps you safe when life throws a storm. Next, your engine. An S&P 500 ETF. This is your core growth vehicle. Instead of betting on one stock, you're owning the 500 biggest companies in America. It's slow, steady, and incredibly powerful over time. Number 3, a dividend ETF. This is your cash flow machine. It pays you for simply holding it. The money you earn here can be reinvested or used to cover expenses. Think of it as a personal ATM that grows over time. Fourth, we go global. An international ETF that includes giants from Europe and Asia. Why? Because the world is bigger than one economy. Diversification protects you from local storms. Fifth, the Accelerator, a Nasdaq 100 ETF. These are the innovators, companies shaping the future. It's higher risk, but higher reward. This slice adds speed to your portfolio's engine. Number 6, digital real estate. A small, scalable online business, a niche website, a digital product, an e-commerce store. This is your active income that feeds your investments. It's your personal cash generator outside your 9-to-5. Finally, the hard asset, gold or silver. A small allocation, maybe 5% of your portfolio, as a hedge against uncertainty. When the digital world shakes, physical assets stand firm. Let's recap the 7 ingredients. The emergency fund, the S&P 500 ETF, the dividend ETF, the global ETF, the tech ETF, digital real estate, and physical gold. A $100,000 portfolio isn't magic, it's a machine. Build it, fuel it, and let time do the heavy lifting. Start today, and one day you won't just dream of financial freedom, you'll live it. If this blueprint makes sense to you, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial strategies from Quantum Fortunes.